Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. What the fuck is that noise? Anyway, today we are back with the Caddy. So people that have been watching the videos for a while now will know about the Caddy. And I will admit it has been a little bit of a while, but still here. She's still rocking it. She's got her cute little eyes. And there's been a bit of a change with the Caddy. So what I'll do is I'll link up a video in the top right hand corner. Go check it out. It's when we originally first bought the Caddy, and originally it was Emily's van. And I say originally Emily's van, it's because she's actually upgraded. Just recently bought, within the last month or so, a beautiful, I'll try and put a picture on the screen. She bought herself a beautiful T5 to replace the Caddy, and I thought we can't get rid of this van. It's too good. Obviously we've had issues with this van, which I've made videos on, but once those issues were fixed, this van has been pretty much perfect. It's been a run around, it's been a daily for God knows how many years for Emily, and I thought, screw it, I'll buy it off her, and so I did, and now it's mine. And you're wondering, where's the Pug? The Pug is pretty much garaged now. She's the track car. Maybe some nice sunny days I'll get her out, but most of the time this is what I'll be in. And if you guys have been keeping up to date with the shorts, you would have seen that recently I've just put a new set of plates. And you can see on the Caddy, we've got X11 LGE, obviously, Xiolage to match the channel. And then on the Pug, we've got X1 LGE. So matching plates on both the Pug and the Caddy, which I thought was a nice little touch for the collection. But yes, currently we are rocking a white T5, which we're going to be modifying. Might do some videos on that as I end up doing more stuff on it. 2K Caddy, and then obviously the T9 308 GTI. So that's pretty much the lineup. I'll just run through what's changed, and I'll tell you, not a lot has really changed. We've added some stickers and stuff over the years that we've had it. So Clear Sport Festival, we've done some camping. Obviously, Caddy was pretty much used as a camper. I've gutted it all out pretty much now. Camping, a little Bitcoin sticker. Obviously, this is some of the stuff I've got from the Peugeot stuff, right? Funk Motorsport, Feels Like Home, which is Caffeine and Machine. Some of the stickers, some Gyroline stuff, and GoPro, pipe across, all that sort of stuff. So these stickers are pretty much on here to hide some scratches in the back. But yeah, this was all fully converted, like a modular sort of micro camper. And I've just basically gutted it because obviously the T5 is going to be the next platform for us, me and Emily, when it comes to being a camper. The Caddy purely is now just a daily for me. Obviously we've got the upgraded tail lights and whatnot, black badges. The only thing I've done recently is the D-wiper, which you can see there, and that's pretty much it. I've upgraded all the bulbs now to LED, so we've got LED headlights and side lights and indicators, fog lights, all that sort of stuff, but pretty much nothing else has changed. Use it, drive it, and and put some nice mats in, and her name's Charlie. Yeah, this is all pretty much the same as last time, really. So obviously we've got RCD, this stereo, the seat covers and stuff, which again is all pretty much the same as last time. What are the plans for the Caddy? In all honesty, I don't really know. At the moment, I'm just doing like some creature comfort stuff. So whether that's, you know, changing some bulbs or, you know, little things. What did I literally just recently do? Oh, like the washer jets. Making them mist washer jets, like little, you know, creature comforts, quality of life sort of things. I don't think I'm going to go crazy. I've got a few plans with the van, and it's all going to be looks. Like there's nothing performance-wise we're going to do to this van. I think I might try and lower it a little bit more. I might try to do some fancy like decals or stuff like that. But ultimately, at the end of the day, this van is purely just going to be a daily driver and a runaround for me. It's super reliable. It sips diesel. Like it very rarely uses a lot of fuel. And I mean, most importantly, it's reliable. It's a dream to drive this thing. So speaking of driving, I need to make my way to the shops. But yes, the thing's an absolute dream to drive. You would have thought being a van, it'd be like a bloody van to drive, but it's not. It's like, you might as well just be thinking you're driving a Golf, because it just feels like that. I say super comfy, but stiff because it's on coilovers, obviously. You know, I can't even remember if I showed you last time where we changed the wheels. So we've swapped the wheels from the 19-inch V-Man wheels to some 18-inch Bowler B16s. The reason we did that was purely because it looks better, but also 18s ride a lot smoother than the 19s. So overall, nothing much has changed with the van, and I don't think much more is going to change bar what I just mentioned, you know, the little things here and there. If I've got some spark of enthusiasm, I might end up, you know, the exhaust or something like that, but she's done absolutely nothing but look after this van, and it's the reason I bought it off her. I'm quite like OCD when it comes to cars. Like I hate curved wheels, like little scratches here and there. I hate the paintwork being like a bit meh. So it's things like that, right? Machine polish it, get the wheels refurbed, Things like brake discs and pads are like looking good, and that sort of stuff, in all honesty, is just nitpicky stuff. The van as it is really, really good. There's a few things here and there, some stone chips which could use tidying, and minor things, wheels could use a refurb. But honestly, the actual mechanicals and just reliability of this van is worth its weight in gold. And yeah, I'm just happy that we can keep it and not get rid of it, or not have to get rid of it for the T5. I mean, Em's wanted a T5 for absolutely years and years and years, but even pre-Caddy, that's what she wanted to end up doing. It's just obviously transporters, if you know anything about transporters, they're so bloody expensive, and we're just now in a position where she's able to afford a transporter, and that's amazing for her. So obviously we'll keep the Caddy. I'll use it as a daily. It's such a cool little van for getting out and about and just like drive. I mean, the thing's so bloody easy to drive, literally like driving a car. Honestly, I love it, and it's got, you know, all the creature comforts with CarPlay and, you know, whatnot. I ain't got aircon, but it don't matter really. If I need to get some stuff in the back, I can whack some car parts in the back, or, you know, get some tires or wheels in there or anything. So it's useful. It is useful having a van. You always find yourself using the van more than you think you need a van. So now we got two. So a quick update video to give you an update of what's going on with the Caddy. Expect to see some more videos with the transporter. There's a few things lined up with the Pug in the future. Things are happening in the background, and stuff naturally as we go into winter, stuff starts to slow down, right? Obviously track days have now died off, unless there's some last minute thing this month, but I really don't see it. But yeah, there's things in the pipeline, things that are happening, so just bear with me. But we have got the Caddy, and I know every time I post a video about the Caddy, everyone loves it. So we might need to do some more stuff to the Caddy to keep you guys entertained, to keep me entertained through the winter. And that's not a bad thing. We can make it the ultimate daily and just keep going and going and going. Because I tell you what, I don't mind spending money on a vehicle when it's a vehicle that I really, really like. And the Caddy certainly is up there. Anyway, guys, as I am about to pull up to the shops here, thank you guys all for watching. Obviously, if you have any ideas with the Caddy or the 308, or maybe even the transporter things you want to see, then yeah, just give me a shout, give me a comment. I do read all the comments. I know it seems like a task, it is, but I do try and keep on top of it as much as I can. In the old comments that come through about the Focus, I try and keep on top of and help some people out when in need. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know some content you want to see. And yeah, keep your eyes peeled. Things are slowing down, but trust me, stuff's happening in the background. So I'll see you when I see you. I'm not sure what the next video will be, but hopefully it's gonna be a good one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.